In this video, you'll learn how to delete an opening balance in Zoho Books. This process is essential for maintaining accurate financial records, especially if an entry was made incorrectly or is no longer needed. Follow these steps carefully to ensure a successful deletion. Begin by navigating to the Zoho Books website. Once the page loads, you may need to sign in using your credentials if you are not already logged in. After signing in, you will be directed to your dashboard where various options and tools are available for managing your finances. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen and click on Email, followed by Quotes. This action will redirect you to the Quotes section where you can manage your documents related to financial transactions. This step is crucial for accessing the settings related to your opening balances. After that, type Opening Balance into the search bar or navigate through the Settings menu. This will help you find the specific section dedicated to managing opening balances. Once you see the relevant options, you are ready to proceed. Once this appears, click on Opening Balances to access the list of all current opening balances in your account. Here you will see various entries that represent different assets, liabilities, and equity that have been set up previously. Identify the balance you wish to delete. Continue by clicking on the type of balance you want to remove, such as assets or liability. This selection allows you to specify which category of balances you are managing. After selecting, the system will display the available balances under that category. Once you see the specific balance you want to delete, click on the corresponding option, which may display as Available Balance Expense or any other relevant label. This action is necessary to confirm the balance you are about to delete. Next, you will see an option to delete the selected balance. Be sure to double check the entry you are about to remove, as this action cannot be undone. Confirm the deletion and the system will process your request. A confirmation message will appear indicating that the balance has been successfully deleted. Finally, ensure that you review your opening balances to confirm that the unwanted entry has been removed. It is advisable to check your financial reports afterward to ensure everything is accurate and up to date. Maintaining accurate records is essential for effective financial management. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.